Yeah, good on. Back out here. Yeah, that walk is something else. Got something new. Here it is. Look at it. It's a Penn Pursuit. This reel is 8,000. It's a 10-foot rod. It's a little big, but it's multifunctional. This is in preparation to go to Florida. I'm going, guys. I'm going. Trust me. I need to get over there. All right. I got some reports that there are some big fish over here. Big fish. I got some wire leader here, possible bluefish. Nice size circle hook. That's 4-ounce lead. It's a sliding sinker setup. This is 30-pound braid, and I don't know. This is just wire. I don't know what size it is. When I was walking over there, I saw a big fish splash up. So I'm hopeful. So right now I'm gonna put on some bunker on this and throw it out. Hope for the best. Got a little spook right there, 3-4 inch spook. I left my charger for the GoPro. I only have one battery, so I'm not gonna record that much because I don't want it to die before the action comes. But when it comes, you'll see it. Yeah. Looks like the first one for the day. See what's going on. There he is. First one for the day. Not even 5 minutes after I threw that bait in. Yeah. Come on. Sorry for the bell. Feels like he came off a little bit. Yeah, I think he came. Did he come off? No, I think he's there. But he's small. No, he came off. What? Come on, man. Came off. Still got my worm though. Didn't quite get it where I wanted it. I wanted to get back in that same spot, but it's alright. This is the life. Is it still on? Yeah, yes. Alright. This feels like a porgy. Yeah. Feels like a nice one. These guys gotta be 9.5 to keep. No, he came off right there. I am upset. I felt it. It was a porgy. I saw the silver, but it's alright. It's okay. They're here. Alright. Strike 2. Yo. And these are new hooks. And these are circle hooks. You should be getting them. I always make sure my jack is loose enough that if a unexpectedly large fish hits it, doesn't take my rod into the water. Can't afford that. See that? Look at that. Look at that Penn Pursuit. Jeez. Can't wait to catch a monster on that. I just threw this out. I did not even put it down. I was just gonna set the drag and just fill him on it. Is he still on it? Yeah, he is. Trying not to pop it out of his mouth this time. Look at the bend. He's spinning. He's spinning. Why is he spinning? Did he eat both of them? Come on, chill out. Porgy. Huh. I think he makes size. Let me just double check. Where's my measuring thing in my hanger? Oh, there it is. Hang in there, buddy. Yup. See from tail, tip of the tail here. Yeah, he's 10. Keeper. Just barely hooked too. Yeah. We'll let him hook himself. Get this out first. Yeah, I think he's on, but I don't think he's big. Yes, got him. Ooh, he's a young, spunky one. Or it might just be a double. Oh no, he's pulling. He's pulling. These bills must be a 9. I'm gonna try to get them off before I start reeling. Oh, it's just one. Nice size one. Yeah. Nice one. Yo, the walk out here is brutal, but man, sure is worth it sometimes. Take a look at. Relax. Aye. Stick me. Right in the corner of the mouth. Circle hook working. Come now. Dang, look at that. Ooh, beautiful. Man, this is the life. This is the life. Try not to get him in his gills. Yeah, he's on. Come on. Gotta get the right angle on him. Doesn't get in the rocks. Working, man, it's happening. There he is. Nice one. Yeah! Got a good one. Whoa! Got a good one on a 10-foot rod. Look at it. Got me a good one. Yes! No, he's going to the rocks. No. Turn him. He hit the bunker. Don't know what it is. Looks like a little striped bass. No. Might be oh yeah. Oh nice. Little striped bass. Shoot. Whew. Oh yeah. Yo. Yes. Oh man, that was so nice. It was so worth it coming out here, man. You relax yourself. You got teeth? Nah. Alright. Nice size trapper. Nice size. Whew. Look at him. Nice. Bunker chunk. Country mile. Playing. Alright. just changed this bait because they're out for a while. I wasn't. All right, there we go. I wasn't getting anything. There we go. Porgy again. Sorry, porgy. Nice one, nice one. Got caught in the rocks, but he's a nice one. And guess what? I still got my bait. I just threw this fresh bait out. Yeah, nice one. Something trying to eat him. Oh no, maybe because he got stuck on the rock right there, but nice one. Oh, it's going well. Thank God. Hallelujah. I don't know if you could see. I'm trying to zoom in. Hold on. Get closer and zoom in. Because it's a great sign. I'm going to the pier tomorrow. I'm telling you that. Yeah, look, if you could, I don't know if you could see it, but it's like 50 birds over there. About 50 birds over there. That's bluefish, I'm sure. I'm positive that's bluefish. Tomorrow, I'm going to go on the pier. I only have half of the day. This is the first part of the rising tide. They're moving, but they're moving towards the shore. I'm out here, man. Whoa! This was going down just now. I'm almost sure I saw it go down. Hopefully tomorrow the bluefish go crazy at the pier. And I'll be ready. Yeah, something is definitely messing with this. Something's definitely messing. Oh, there we go. There we go. No. Lost him? Shoot. I don't know. It feels like dead weight. Yeah, I got him. Sea robin. Ah, man. Wow. Got me so excited. Jeez. Big ass sea robin. I won't keep him for bait. I hear they make good strap a bit. Just in case I run out of bunker, I'll have him for fresh bait. He's like another porgy. Definitely another porgy. A decent size one. Alright. Nice one. Those bluefish I think stopped blitzing. I don't see him anymore. Not sure what this is. This ain't. Oh, never mind. It feels like it might be a porgy, but it's a porgy. It's a giant one. No, this isn't a porgy. This ain't a porgy. See that dead weight now. It might be a sea robin. I'm not sure what this is. It's dead weight, but it's heavy dead weight. It was a fish I'm hoping he's still on there, to be honest. Yeah, he's still on there. I think this might be a sea robin. Yeah. I think it's a sea robin. I already caught a sea robin. No, this ain't a sea robin. Never mind. Well, I don't know. It's not finding too good. It's finding weird. Maybe a smooth dogfish, aka a small species of shark. Try to at least see what it is. just in case he comes off. Hopefully he doesn't, but I just want to even see what it is. Oh, it's a blackfish. It's a blackfish. Nice. There you go. Before I detangle everything, he got some gnarly teeth. I won't put my hand in his mouth. But there we go. Nice hook set. Nice blackfish. Nice blackfish. Alright. Anyway, I'm gonna start this out. Get my line back out there. Nice blackfish. He's in water, he'll be fine. Whoa! Don't know what this is. Don't know what this is. Don't know what this is. He's like another blackfish maybe, but a bigger one. Let me try to take this out. Without losing the fish. These are nice little circle hooks. I don't have to really set the hook. Once I got some pressure on the fish, I know it's gonna set right in the corner of the mouth. The tide's coming up now, so it's the perfect time. Perfect time to get him, but I gotta watch. This is the only thing I can't enjoy fishing as much as I should here, because I gotta keep watching the tide. And when the tide comes in, that's when the fish come in. But then when the tide comes in, it's the easiest way to get stuck. Yeah, I think this is definitely a blackfish. Come over here. Definitely a blackfish. Digging into the ground and all that. Yeah, definitely a blackfish, but a bigger one, I think. He's trying to get to the rocks. Trying to turn him. I think I turned him. No, where is he? Yeah, he's over by the rocks right here. Yep, definitely a blackfish. A lot of times I lose them right here. Right here, the hook just pops. When they see all the rocks and they're just trying to get to the rocks. And they pull so hard, the hook comes out. This is a gigantic one. I knew this one was gonna be big. Yeah, I knew it. Got myself in a nail trying to get this out. Yeah. Trying to get out of his mouth. I got him and he got me, huh? The biggest blackfish I've ever caught. This is a gigantic blackfish. This is a gigantic blackfish. Now I'm so happy. Yes! My battery is close to being dead. Yo, this is the most tired I've been coming back. Coming from way down there. Alright, I'm gonna head out. Tide is coming up. I'm gonna try to go to the pier tomorrow, and hopefully you'll see that video later on, pretty soon. Hey, even though I'm not going home with the biggest of fish, you know, I caught some decent sized ones. Hopefully that deserves a subscribe, yeah? Hit the like button even. Alright, take care.